So today we will be looking at preparing the circuit and making sure that it is ready for soldering. As you can see, the printed circuit board is a small piece of plastic with the copper mounted on the surface. During the manufacturing process of these circuit boards, they'll have an invisible layer, almost a clear film over the top, which we need to remove. To do so, we're going to use some wet and dry paper. This is a special type of sandpaper that has a very fine grit and can be used with water if we are polishing the metal. However, we are just trying to scratch the surface lightly. All you are going to do is have the sandpaper facing down, and you're going to scrub the surface. And all that is happening is going to remove that invisible layer and prepare the surface for soldering. You can do it side by side here to wipe away the dust. You can see that it is ever so slightly shinier, and you can see some scratches on the surface, which is what we want. So ensure all parts of the copper have been prepared. Otherwise, you may end up with a poor connection when soldering. We wipe the excess dust away. You can now see it's brighter in colour and shinier with those ever so slight scratches on the surface.